So this movement pattern is the alternating double club bell inside circle. So we'll begin with 2 club bells. I'll first show you the inside circle just with 1, and then I'll demonstrate with 2. So to begin, keep your forearm at 90 degrees and keep your elbow pinned into your side. So for the inside circle, we're going to rotate our hips across our body. The club bell is going to come across our body, and then we're going to throw the club bell and catch it on the other side with your forearm 90 degrees. Pull that elbow into your side and then straighten out at the end of the rep. So that's 1 rep. I'll show you again. So just pushing the club bell, letting it swing, catching it out away from your body with your forearm 90 degrees, and then pulling that elbow into your side, straightening out. So that's the inside circle with 1 club bell. So in this variation, we use 2 club bells, and then we're gonna alternate from side to side. So again, we'll begin with just the one side, rotate, throw the club bell, catch, pull it in, back to center, and then now we'll do the opposite side. So rotating our hips, throwing the club bell, catching, back to center, and so on. So yeah, just a little bit more coordination than the single arm variation. Also probably a little bit more challenging because you have to hold and balance the other club bell as you're swinging the one. So it just takes a little bit more to think about. Yeah, cool variation. So again, it's called the alternating double club bell inside circle. And I would say it's a good exercise for your core, especially your obliques as you're twisting, as well as just the rotational power of your hips.